This is Rhonda here today. Today I'm going to share with you a website where you can get free advertising for any business that you have. So the name of this website is freeadvertising247.com. Once again, you just put in freeadvertising247.com into your browser and it will lead you right to this page, and this is 100% free advertising. So what you're going to do, you're going to come in here. You are going to just put your link where it says your link, right? So I'm going to put my link in here. This is what I'm going to advertise today. You're going to select a category. Okay, so I'm going to pick business opportunities because this is a business opportunity for me. But as you can see, you have all different kinds of choices to pick from. Whatever your business is about, there's plenty of choices here, right? So I'm going to pick business opportunity, and I'm going to put a short title here. And you can see this is where the title is going to show when your ad is done. So my short title is going to be Make Money Online Using Pre-Made Ads. Okay, and then you're just going to write a little description here, right? So you don't want it to be too long. As you can see here, it's about 2 to 3 sentences, right? So that it fits into the ad and it looks nice. Learn how to use social media platforms to earn extra income using pre-made ads. Simple system, even for beginners. And I'm just going to leave it 2. That's fine. Just for this video that I'm showing here, you're going to put your name. I'm going to put my email address. It's preloaded here for me. You can upgrade your ad. So this is how they make money. If you want to add color for $1, or if you want to add emojis for $2. But if you just want to do a basic ad, it's completely free. So I did just want to show you the free version. Okay, so down here you can see the total shows 0. I am not adding anything. And then the submit button is at the bottom of the page. So you're just going to go all the way down. These are other ads that are here, right? So you can see all these other ads that are here. You're going to scroll, keep on scrolling, keep on scrolling. And this is the whole thing. They want you to be able to see all these other ads. See, some of these have color. You can see how they're making theirs stand out if you wanted to add things like that. Like I said, there is those little charges from like $1 to $6. If you want to do anything, you're more than welcome to do those. But you can just add completely free if you want, right? Just going to go down here. I'm going to enter this code. So 7591. And I'm going to hit submit ad. Okay, they sent an email. I'm going to click on the email address, right? And that's all I need to do. So that is how you can get advertising for any business that you have, completely free. Once again, just go to this website, freeadvertising247.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed a video like this, please subscribe to my channel. I am going to be giving more tips on social media marketing, ways to earn online, different ways to do things for free or for very low cost for any business online. So thanks for watching and have a great day.